Where those adjustable holes come in, we're able to move it over on the door. I'm gonna let it shut, see if he's got it adjusted well. Almost. Takes a little bit of a hard slam yet. Okay, that time it went. Alright, all it needed me to do was give it that good tug, and now it seems to latch every time. It didn't the very first time, but now it seems to be latching every time. Alright, now we're latched. Push on the door without the trim. I can hear it activating, but here, we'll watch. I'm pushing, I'm pulling. Oh, still too much pressure on that door.